Hello everyone, T. Smith here, and this is my week 5 presentation on an agency change. The agency change I will be going over for this presentation will be the City of Corona's new Community Services Director adding a Division of Labor to the Recreation Department. When adding this new position, the new Community Services Director will need to plan the new job duties and budgeting for the new position. They will need to plan and coordinate their effectiveness and efficiency that they will add to the agency, as well as review the hiring process for this new position. The first thing the new community services director will need to do is find out how this new position will be able to cooperate in the current system. According to Barnard, the cooperative system, according to a system of thinking, these individual parts work better together, and they will need to see how this new position will be that missing link and connect the positions. According to Gulick, the new community services director will need to plan and organize who this position will be overseeing and staffing and directing. They will also need to see which recreation supervisor this new position will be reporting to, and also find the budget of where they're going to find the money to pay this new position. The second thing the new community services director will need to analyze is this new position's efficiency and effectiveness of the agency. The new community services director will need to explain to current staff how this position will enhance the services that they provide. According to Henri Fail, the new community services director will be adding to the scholar chain, which will increase the unity of command, which will assist managers in their span of control over lower level staff. This will increase the esprit de corps of the community services department, as more managers will be motivated, as well as motivate their employees, because it's not so difficult for them to oversee as many staff as they have in the past. Also, if we look at skills theory, the new community services director will have technical skills in the field and understand that this position is needed. They will also have people skills to get current managers on board with the adding of the division of labor, as well as the conceptual skills, which sees the big picture and resolves conflict, which is managers being overloaded with work. Also, according to McGregor, the new community services director will need to be a theory why leader, which gets people excited and motivated to be at work. The third and final thing the new community services director will need to do is analyze the hiring process. According to the Pendleton Act, all applicants will need to have submitted a resume that displays their knowledge and experience according to the position. Those with prior knowledge or experience in the position will be able to move on to the next phase. According to Woodrow Wilson, the community services director will also need to evaluate the merit system, as in they will need to set specific criteria that separates this new position from its direct supervisor, as well as those it oversees. During the interview process, the community services director will also need to see how the individual skills will increase the efficiency and effectiveness of the agency. According to Maslow, the community services director will need to also evaluate how this applicant will be able to motivate their staff to a level of self-actualization to assist in employee retention, as well as assist the community in meeting new and current goals. This concludes my presentation, and thank you all for listening.